Regional Trains Vlogs Trains. Today I'm here at Bowral and I'll be filming a freight train. I think it's Pacific National, but I cannot be sure. Oh no, it's not Pacific National. We have a SCT train. I mean a CF train, guys. We have a CF. CF 4412 is the leading class. There was an AN CF class and another CF class. CF 4412 was the leading class, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.